Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone speaker crackling sound issue in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. So let's start the video. First of all, if your iPhone case is not covering the speaker grill, and if it covering the speaker grill, then remove the iPhone case. And the second solution is I prefer you to hear high beat music. If the speaker crackling sound issue is not fixed, then open settings and go in general and click on software updates. Here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it. After updating your latest iOS version, then restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and press this icon to right side for restart your phone. After restart your phone, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.